Hi there, I'm Coach Amanda, and this is my best pal, Logan.
Welcome to Food Tuesday. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell button. Check out our shorts.
Check out our shirts on WeShallDefend.com. Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Today we're making blueberry muffins. Pretty exciting, right? This is a great recipe for those of you who have Prestige Labs homemade vanilla ice cream protein. So that is the star of the show today because there's no flour in this. So what else do we have in our muffins? We have a cup of stevia, a cup and a half of blueberries, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, about the juice of 1 small lemon or 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 3 eggs, 3 scoops of that protein that we just talked about, a 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and a 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce. I didn't have applesauce, so I used coconut yogurt, coconut milk yogurt. Can you wait until we're done? Thanks. So our blueberry muffins have some awesome nutrition facts, right, Logan? You want to help me out and read them?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay. How many calories?
60.
60 calories. How many carbs?
4.8.
Yeah. And then protein?
60. What is this? Is this 8? Is it 9?
It's 6 grams. That's a G for grams of protein. How about this one? 1.8 grams of fat. It's okay, it's Daddy's handwriting. Fiber, 0.4 grams of fiber. Come on, you can do the sugar. You're so sweet.
3.5
grams of sugar. That's it. This made about a dozen muffins. So this was the whole recipe divided by 12. That's the nutritional facts for 1 muffin. Did you want to try one? Yes? Okay. Here you go. You want to take a bite? Take a bite right off the top. Yay! We hope you like them as much as Logan and I do, and we'll see you again next time on Food Tip Tuesday. Bye!
Bye. I want some extra.
I didn't have applesauce, so I used coconut yogurt,
Can I
coconut
eat
milk
this?
yogurt. Can you wait until we're done? Thanks.
A few moments later.
No, yeah. Now you can have the apple. Thank you for waiting. I think we're good. You're gonna lose that wiggly tooth.